Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. I am happy to welcome you all for our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. For the class 8, subject physics, unit 1, measurement. Children, in the previous class, we have discussed the base quantities. For example, luminous intensity and then what? Think current and then length, etc. Right? Today we are going to discuss about plane angle. Clear? See, plane angle. The plane angle is nothing but the angle between the intersection of two straight lines. See here, this is one straight line and another one is, this is another straight line. The angle between the intersection of two straight lines, this angle is called plane angle. Once again I am repeating, the angle between the intersection means cutting. So, intersection of two straight lines or intersection of two planes, that is called plane angle. The SI unit of plane angle is called radian. It is denoted as RAD. Clear? So, plane angle is nothing but, very important question, listen very carefully. The plane angle is nothing but the angle between the intersection of two straight line. So, one line is there, this line this is a straight line, it goes from here to here, another one is another straight line. The angle between these two straight line, that is called plane angle. Clear children? Next one is radian. Radian is the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc. So, radian is nothing but angle subtended at the center of the circle. See here, this is a circle, we put one small arc here and this is said to be radian, the angle between here to here, and this length is equal to the radius of the circle. Can you get my point children? So, radian is nothing but, radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc. So, just put one arc like this, clear? So, angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle, clear? So, pi radian equal to 180 degree, 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. So, just know what is radian, radian equal to 180, the full angle 180 by pi, clear? The next one is solid angle. It is the angle formed by 3 or more planes intersecting at a common point. So, already we discussed the plane angle. Plane angle is nothing but when two lines intersect, the angle between the two straight line is called plane angle, only two lines. But solid angle is totally different. The angle formed, the angle produced, the angle formed by 3 or more planes intersecting, 3 or more lines intersecting at a common point. So, it is called solid angle. So, solid angle, it can be defined as angle formed at the vertex of the cone. The SI unit of solid angle is stadian, that is radian, here stadian, and it is denoted as SR. The stadian is the solid angle at the center of the sphere subtended by a portion whose surface area is equal to square of its radius of the sphere. So, see here, this is the area, this is R and this is total area equal to R square. So, stadian is nothing but stadian is the solid angle at the center of the sphere subtended by the portion. So, this is one small portion whose total surface area is equal to the square of its radius of the sphere, square of its radius. So, area equal to square of its radius, area equal to R square, clear? The next one is analog clocks. It looks like a classic clock. It has 3 hands. See the picture, children. How many hands are there in the clock? 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? What are the 3 hands? One is the short, small one, short hand. Second one is minute hand, and third one is second hand. So, analog clock has 3 hands. One is short, very small hand. It is a hour hand. The another one is somewhat big. Okay, it is a minute hand, and the third one is second hand. So, there are 3 hands in their analog clock, clear? Yes. So, what is a hour's hand? It is short and thick. This hour hand is very short and it is thick, and it shows only the hour, 1 hour, second hour, third hour, like that, 2 hour, third hour, like that. Okay. Second one is a minute's hand. Minute's hand is long. It is long when compared with the hour's hand. Okay. So, minute's hand is long and thin. It shows only the minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, like that. The third hand, that is called seconds hand. It is long and is very thin. Okay. So, it shows only the seconds. It makes one rotation, the full rotation in 1 minute and 60 rotation in 1 hour. Can you get my point, children? Yes. Analog clocks can be driven either mechanically or electronically. Okay. The next one is digital clocks. You are all very familiar with digital clocks. That particular clocks shows the time directly. We can easily see the time directly. Okay. So, digital clocks display the time directly. It displays the time. Nowadays, more advanced clocks are there. Date, time, day, month, everything it shown like this. It shows the time in numericals or other symbols. It may have 12 hours or 24 hours display. So, 12 hours display or 24 hours display. Recent clocks, more advanced clocks showing date, day, month, year and temperature, etc. Digital clocks often called as electronic clocks. We often called electronic watch, electronic clock. In mobile phone also they have a time, right? That particular time, that particular date is also works under the electronics. So, it is called as electronic clocks. See the picture here, children, what you are all observing here. So, it is a digital clock. It shows the day 21, month 02, year 10, like that. What is the time? 11:33:25 seconds. Accurately we can able to see that time. Okay, this is called a digital clock. The temperature also it is very clear, 29 degrees Celsius. This is a more advanced clock, digital clock. Clear? Yes. The next one, types of clocks based on a working mechanism. How the clocks are working. There are different types of clocks based on working mechanism. They are quartz clock, and then second one is atomic clock. What is quartz clock? These clocks are activated by electronic oscillation, which can be controlled a quartz crystal. The frequency of vibrating crystal is very precious. So, the quartz clock is more accurate than the mechanical clock. These clocks have an accuracy of 1 second in every 109 seconds. This is the peculiar features of quartz clock. See the picture of quartz clock? You can able to see the accurate time. Okay? Next we move on to atomic clock. These clocks are working use of periodic vibrations occurring within the atom. These clocks have an accuracy of 1 second in every 1013 seconds. Atomic clocks are widely used in Global Positioning System GPS, Global Navigation Satellite System GLONASS, and International Time Distribution Services. See the picture of atomic clock. And next one is approximation. Approximation is a process of finding the number. Approximately we are telling no, while preparing one sambar means what? Our mother approximately add some amount of salt, that is said to be approximate. Okay. So, approximation is a process of finding a number which is acceptably very close to the normal exact value, that is called approximation. Clear children? So, see here, approximation is a process of finding a number which is acceptably close, very close to the exact value of the measurement of a physical quantity. It is an estimation of number obtained by rounding off a number to its nearest place value. When the data are inadequate, very short, physicists are in need of an approximation to find the solution for products. Approximations are usually based on certain assumptions having a scientific background, and they can be modified whenever accuracy is needed. The next one is rounding off. Calculators are widely often we are using in olden days we supposed to add through that our mental max. Now with the help of calculator we are using so many problems. So calculators are widely used in day-to-day life to solve all the problems. So calculators are usually used to in day-to-day life. The results can be given by the calculator is so accurate and it has more digit. We feel very difficult to write all the digits. Okay. Hence, the result containing more digit should be rounded off. Okay. The technique of rounding off is used in many areas of physics. Results for rounding off: decide which is the last digit to keep, you have to decide. Okay. The next one, leave it the same if the next digit is less than 5. If it is more than 5 means you add 1 from the next digit. Okay. Then increase it by 1, that is I said no, add 1. Increase it by 1 if the next digit is 5 or greater than 5. That is called rounding off. Clear children? Thank you children. We will see in the next class.